Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I need to put the trim up on the inside of this door, but they've got paint along the door frame, which is normal. I mean, that's what you do over the last 60 years that the house has been in existence. You paint it. But to make sure that the trim comes up flush against the edge of the door, I want to make sure and get this paint off of here. Now to do that, I'm using a Stanley number 32 scraper. May not be something you guys have seen before, but it's very nice actually. It came without a blade, so I just took a piece of heavy duty banding, strapping, and it's spring steel, got a sharp edge on it, and I just made a blade for it. Now, why aren't I sanding this? Well, it's because sanding makes a huge mess. Scraping does too, but it's not that fine dust that gets everywhere. It's chunks. Easy enough to sweep up, and they're gone. Much faster and less mess than sanding. When the blade gets dull on one edge, you take it out and flip it over. And this little screw tightens up the blade and pinches it in between the two cast iron jaws, and you're ready to go again. I mix filler up thoroughly but quickly because it sets up. Now I've got this stuff mixed up. I'm going to put it into the hinge holes. After I got the inside of the door frame prepped and ready to put up the trim, I thought I would take a few minutes and put up that bottom door glide that I had fixed in the other video.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.